So yeah, we're watching father and son driving down the esplanade in Surfers Paradise. The son is absolutely over the moon and so proud of his dad. Wonderful father and son moment. Absolute celebrities on Surfers Paradise Esplanade. Yes, look at this. Wow, stay awesome. Have a look at it. I'm following you, buddy. I'm following you. Oh, that is so good.
Gotta stay awesome.
Oh, that is so cool.
Gotta stay awesome.
That is so good.
Gotta stay awesome.
What's this?
Gotta stay
Take a look at that.
awesome.
Oh, that is so good.
Gotta stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome.
So we've got some dudes out the front in their, I don't know what you call it, but it's something like out of America where they can bounce the car up and down. And everyone loves it. It's a real head turner. Come on, dude. Hey, dude. I was lucky how this episode turned out. Just by chance, the car pulled out in front of us, and I just thought, this is magic. It was just such a head turner. I was really dying to have an interview, but I didn't know if I'd get the opportunity. Obviously, we're all just driving along the esplanade, having a good time, and this guy with his son were having an absolute blast. It was a real head turner, I tell you. It was such a joy to watch them have such a great time. So this was my moment. I was lucky enough to have these guys pull over, and I grabbed a park and quickly went over and see if I could get an interview. Really wanted to know more about this car. It was like a work of art. Absolutely unbelievable. This looks like something Elvis would have owned. Have a look at the glitter on it and all the fine art. Worth of this engraving from the United States on this car. It's just the intricate detail. Man, you've taken it to the extreme, haven't you? That's... Oh, that's gold. I won't advertise that too much. You might have some gold hunters. That's gold, genuine gold. Jeez. 24 carat. I don't even know if I could put that on YouTube. That is just a 24 carat gold. Jeez. Do you mind me doing a stay also? Okay. Yeah, so tell us about your car.
Oh, mate. Yeah, this is just my dream car since Chev Impala.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just been about about 4 years to build like this. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's just been a passion of mine. Just love low riding, love all the hydraulic suspension, being able to move and go up and down, and just seeing people's faces. So yeah, it sort of makes me happy. But yeah, just love taking the kids out for cruise on a Sunday. And,
Man,
get
it's
outdoors.
your attention to detail is none. But when you just told me then that the rear was 24 karat gold,
Yeah.
man, you love your gold, don't you? You got a
Well,
gold necklace, and you got
that's it.
gold on the back of your car.
Just makes it pop, and it just goes that extra wow factor.
Oh, wow! All right, like that is just. I've never seen anything like it, honestly.
It's just those attention to detail.
Yeah.
Is what I wanted.
So, what's your name? Anyone sees you around?
Yeah, Timmy Cook.
Yeah.
So it's got an Insta page,
Timmy?
so it's the_aftermath_64.
Oh, so you've got okay.
Yeah, so it's got heaps of photos, the progress,
Yeah.
a few bits and pieces that have been out and about. So
Oh, great.
check it out, go for it.
Yeah. Oh, thanks a lot for that.
Hey, you're welcome.
Great,
Thank you.
beauty. Thanks for the interview. I love seeing someone enjoy the fruits of their success or their hard work. This guy certainly deserves some accolades. He's done a terrific job. We all know when you do van builds, how long it takes. Have a look at this masterpiece. This guy has gone, he's like a jeweler that's into doing cars up. Absolutely
Okay,
awesome.
I did an interview with the owner of that car. Do you believe his bull bar is made of 24 karat gold? Can you believe it? His paint job took 12 months to do, and it was done stripe by stripe. Engraving on every door handle, mirror, you name it. 30 grand's worth of engraving. It's just unbelievable. The guy looks like he's a tradie, but he's into finance. And his son was so proud of him.